In a bright and magical forest, where the trees whispered and the mushrooms glowed, a very special morning was about to begin.
This was Flash the Hare. He was the fastest animal in the whole forest, and he never let anyone forget it. "I am so fast," he boasted, "that no one can ever beat me, not even if they tried for 100 years. Nobody's quicker than me."
Then along came Shelly the Tortoise. She didn't look fast at all. In fact, she looked very, very slow. Shelly just smiled and said she would race him. The whole forest went quiet, then burst into excited chatter. "I will race you."
Everyone gathered at the starting line. The hare bounced with excitement. The tortoise stood quietly, ready.
Ready, set, go! The hare shot forward like a rocket. The tortoise took her very first step.
In just a few seconds, the hare was so far ahead that the tortoise looked like a little green pebble on the path. He looked back and laughed. "This race is already over," he shouted. "I could take a nap and still win. See you at the finish line, maybe tomorrow." And with a final wave, he bounded off, leaving the tortoise far behind.
But Shelly didn't hurry. She just kept walking. Step after step after step. Slow and steady.
The hare found a perfect sunny log. "I'm so far ahead," he said, "I deserve a little rest. Just a tiny nap." And just like that, he was fast asleep, dreaming of how amazing and speedy he was.
The sun climbed higher. The shadows grew longer. And still the tortoise walked. She never stopped. She never sped up. Shelly walked right past the sleeping hare. She didn't say a word. She just kept going.
The forest animals began to whisper, "Look at her go! She's actually going to make it." At last, the finish line came into view. A beautiful ribbon of flowers waited at the end of the path. Suddenly, the hare woke up. His eyes went wide. The tortoise was almost at the finish line. "No, wait!" He ran faster than he had ever run before. But it was already too late.
Shelly the Tortoise crossed the finish line first. The whole forest cheered. The hare arrived just a moment too late.
And that is how the slow and steady tortoise won the race. Because sometimes the one who never gives up finishes first.